Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by granting WhatsApp permission to save images. Open Settings, tap WhatsApp, then Photos and choose All Photos so media can be written to your library. Once done, make sure WhatsApp is updated in the App Store and that your iPhone has available storage, otherwise saves will fail. You're preparing the system-level access and capacity now, which avoids issues later when you automate or manually save albums from chats. Next, configure WhatsApp to write photos into your Photos app. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and toggle Save to Camera Roll-On. This saves all incoming media. If you prefer per chat control, open a chat, tap the contact or group name, select Save to Camera Roll, and choose Always for that conversation. Also, if you use iCloud Photos, enable it in Settings right arrow Photos so saved images sync across devices. These steps move images from the app sandbox into your system gallery. Finally, when you need a one-off save, open the image in WhatsApp, tap the share icon and choose Save Image to place it in Photos. If images don't appear, inspect albums including recently deleted and smart albums. Filters sometimes hide new photos. If problems persist, return to Settings and reset WhatsApp photo permission to all photos, then restart your phone. This refresh often clears permission caching issues. With these final checks, your WhatsApp images will reliably appear in the iPhone gallery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.